Hello everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. It is a rainy day here in the Big Smoke in Toronto, one of the best cities in the world. And I just got home from work and I got one of my favorite subscriptions, which isn't makeup and it isn't skincare, it is panties. It's underwear. Every girl's gotta have it, you know? Every guy's gotta have it. But this is Knotty Knickers. Got it today. I get 3 pairs and I pay $12, and I think it's $12.48 Canadian for 3 pairs of panties. You can get, the Knotty package, which is all thongs. You can get the nice package, which is no thongs. That's what I got. And you can get the sugar and spice package, which is thongs and nice panties. A little bit of, but they're all real, kind of sexy. But I kind of like the nice panties. I'm on the nice panty side. I'll wear a thong every now and then. All depends on what I'm wearing. But now that I'm all up there in age, honey, I like my comfort. So it comes in a white envelope like this. You can get this in Canada and in the US of A. I will leave the link down below. I don't get anything for this. It's not a personal link for me. I don't, there's no code. I don't get anything for this. I just like this subscription. And it's something different. It's not makeup, it's not skincare, but it's definitely something that I am going to use. So I get 3 pairs of panties, again, for $12, and I think it's $48 Canadian. That's it. All right, here's my first pair this month. I changed my size to large because I was finding that there was a couple, because I had medium before, and I just found that there was maybe like a different shape of some of the panties in the medium just wouldn't fit in my big butt, honey. So I changed it to large, and I'm going to see how that goes. Like they fit, but they weren't as comfortable as I would have liked them to be. Because, I'm just, I just want to be comfortable. You get at this age, girl, you just want to be comfortable. And thank you, everybody, for watching my video. If you're here, hey, I'm so happy you're here. Let's have a great day. Spread some cheer. Give somebody a hug. Give somebody a compliment. Be nice to somebody. That's all. Just be nice to somebody because nobody knows what we're going through. Everybody has a story. Okay. My first pair are these. Ooh. I like this color. I can already tell they're going to be one of my favorite pairs of panties. I like, look, it's got little leaves, little green leaves on it. They're very sturdy. And that was when I first ordered these. I was like, okay, 3 pairs of panties for $12. I mean, I can't go into La Senza and get 3 pairs of panties for $12. Always worried about the quality, but the quality in every single pair of panties I've gotten now, I think this is probably my 4th month or my 5th month, and I love it. The quality's great. They don't fall apart in a washing machine, and aren't they cute? I don't think I've ever had a pair of panties in this color. This is the first for me. I like them. Very nice. Very nice. I got some fuzzies on the corner of it right here. Okay, that's the first pair. And they come in these cute little packages. Aren't they sweet? And you know what? I always cut them. But apparently you could open it up on the bottom. Never knew that. 4 or 5 months getting this subscription. I never knew I can just open it up at the bottom. And here I am always fighting for my scissors. Oh, look at these. These are a very nice cottony pair. I like these. Oh, this is just comfort for me. I'm loving these. Yeah, look at that. Oh, look at the lace down here. Isn't that pretty? So they're pretty. They're cute, They're not your old grandma type panties. They're cute. They're pretty. They're cute. They're sexy. I like them. And they're really comfortable. Really nice and sturdy. So that's my second pair. I'm liking the colors. Really liking the colors because, I'm plain old boring. I go get white, red, and black. That's always the colors. I always get white, red, and black, and maybe a blue. And I'm liking this, that I'm getting different colors. Ooh, I'm liking these ones. These are sexy. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow, look at the pattern in these. They are so pretty. So that's what these are like. I'm really liking these. These are very pretty. They're sexy. They're comfortable. And I'm loving the pattern. I love that, the black and the pink. It's so pretty. And that's my Knotty Knickers for the month of August. Because, you know, if you're like me, to go out and buy knickers for myself, if you're like me, you just don't do it. You go get your kids' stuff, your husband's stuff. And it's like the only time I ever got knickers for myself, I swear to God, is Christmas time when my mom would always make sure that I had me some new knickers. I swear to God, just like pajamas, right? You know, Mom always made sure that I always had myself some new knickers. And now, once a month, I get 3 new pairs. Can't go wrong. Like, I'm so happy. I love this subscription. $12.48, everybody. So that's 1 pair. They have different sizes. They also have a bra and a panty set. They have socks. I'm going to look at the sizes for the bra. I don't know if there's like the bras there would fit me. I have to look at the sizes for it. But if they do, I think I might purchase one of those so I can show you what that looks like. There's, so they're the black and pink one. Then we got the yellow ones, which I love the color yellow. And then we got the green. And that's my subscription. Don't forget, everybody, my live is going to be this Friday, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. I'm in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Please come and check me out. Come say hi. Come say hi to all the ladies. If you're new to my channel, please come by and say hi. Introduce yourself. Meet some amazing, wonderful women. You're going to have a whole new family of sisters. It's all about support and love up in here. And being truthful and honest. Yeah, that's what it's about too. Being truthful and honest with reviews, which reminds me, I have to go and take off my makeup because I've had this on since 6 o'clock this morning, and wash my face and put on some more makeup because I'm doing a review on foundation. Stay tuned. That's coming up next on the channel of LGS. Mwah. Love you. See ya soon. Bye.